families have passed away, and even families have swept. Families, it's not just one from family, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have news of that. We have first-hand information. So our request is the government should immediately declare this as a national disaster, provide 5,000 crore package immediately. Sir, 1 second,
Yes.
Sir, let me. A bridge has collapsed. A bridge has collapsed. That bridge has to be made now temporary.
Please,
bridge to be consulted.
now.
NDRF
Have I made a mistake in giving you floor?
and helicopter
Take your seat now.
immediately, sir.
Nothing will go on record now, please. Just 2 minutes.
Sir, this is a very painful day for every Kerala, sir. Very painful. See, please consider us. We are praying for the assistance from the union government. Sir, we are
What
praying.
are you saying?
Sir, we are praying. Sir,
Don't make
sir,
a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Don't make a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir,
You are not aware.
sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise, people
Sir,
were in action.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
sir, the first
Chief
thing,
Minister, Prime
sir,
Minister have been in action.
Sir, rescue
Don't
is
do
the,
this.
sir,
No, don't do this, please.
Sir, just
You
a
are
minute.
not aware what is happening.
Yes, just a minute, sir.
No, don't make it political.
No, never.
You are not aware what is happening. I am aware.
Sir, I am
fully aware.
Sir, I am trying to express my feeling, sir. Sir, I am trying to express my feeling. Sir, please, just a minute, sir. Sir, ensure the rescue process. Please ensure proper rescue process, and please assist us for the rescue.
Okay.
Proper rescue.
Point well taken. Leader of the House. Leader of the House. No, please. Enough.
Sir.
You associated. You said so. I can't open the debate like this. It's not a debate. Please. 1 second, sir. Half a minute.
Yeah.
Half a minute.
Yeah. Sir,
Half a minute.
yeah, sir, in Wayanad is very near to my home village, sir. Sir, there, very painful incident was happened. The intervention of the central government and proper assistance from the government is very necessary. So government should ensure the financial assistance and all possible assistance
Yes,
from
yes,
here
sir.
to
Please.
the state. So this is my humble
you,
request,
thank
sir. We should
Leader of
stand
the
with the
House.
families.
No, but we can't go. Are we scoring points or are we expressing concern? No, are we expressing concern or scoring points? Don't do it, please. Yes, Leader of the House. And before that, let me tell you, honorable members, when I came, even before that I was aware of it. I updated myself and I found it very gratifying. Once again, I found it very gratifying that Honorable Chief Minister was very active. The Prime Minister was active. The agencies are in coordination. They are doing everything possibly can be done. No time has been lost in this. There is convergence, and therefore, Leader of the House.
सभापति जी, जैसा कि अभी यहाँ चर्चा शुरू हुई और सभी हमारे माननीय सदस्यों ने एक तरीके से अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की और उन्होंने जो वहाँ घटना घटी है और जो त्रासदी हुई है, जो एक बड़ी त्रासदी है, उसके प्रति उन्होंने कंसर्न शो किया है। मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह जो त्रासदी है, ये सिर्फ केरल की त्रासदी नहीं है, सारा देश इससे द्रवित है। और यहाँ भी हाउस के सभी लोग, इस पक्ष के उस पक्ष के सभी पार्टियों के सभी द्रवित हैं और सभी दुखी हैं कि यह घटना घटी है, नेचुरल कैलामिटी है। भारत सरकार भी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रोएक्टिव होकर के जो भी केरल में राहत कार्य के लिए आवश्यक है वो कर रहे हैं और वो किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की तरफ से ये एश्योरेंस देता हूं कि जो भी जरूरत होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी। हमारा उद्वेलित होना ये स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन यह इस तरह की घटना को एड्रेस करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुख्यमंत्री जी केरल से बात की, उनको आश्वासन भी दिया। जो वहाँ पर रिलीफ के लिए जो सेंट्रल जो हमारी एजेंसीज हैं उनके तरफ से जो सपोर्ट जाना चाहिए वो वहाँ पहुँच गई हैं, पहुँचाई जा रही हैं। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम चल रहा है। अभी इस वक्त जो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है वो इस बात की है कि बॉडीज़ को निकाला जाए, जो बचने की स्थिति में है उनको बचाया जाए। हेल्थ के दृष्टि से हम वहाँ पर काम करें। इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस सिस्टम को हम एक्टिवेट करें, वो सारी चीजें की जा रही हैं और आपकी भावनाओं के साथ हम सब जुड़े हैं, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं। और फिर से मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूंगा कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चलने वाली सरकार प्रोएक्टिव है, प्रो रिस्पॉन्सिव है और उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। मैं ब्रिटास जी की भावनाओं का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं और आप जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं, सिर्फ उद्वेलित होने से काम नहीं चलता। हमें वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट टू इन एक्शन, एंड इफ देयर इज एनी सजेशन दैट वी हैव टू इंप्रूव समथिंग इन आवर एक्शन, प्लीज डू दैट। वी आर टुगेदर, वी आर नॉट डिफरेंट, हम एक से जैसे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं सरकार की तरफ से हाउस को और हाउस के साथ साथ देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि वहां कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी जाएगी और उसको पूरा किया जाएगा।
जी किशन रेड्डी जी, एनीथिंग एडिशनल? नहीं, एनीथिंग एडिशनल? नो। जी किशन रेड्डी वांट्स टू डू एनीथिंग एडिशनल?
आदरणीय चेयरमैन सर, जो भारत सरकार की तरफ से
जी किशन रेड्डी जी, आर यू सेइंग एनीथिंग इन एडिशन टू लीडर ऑफ द हाउस?
यस सर। एक आर्मी फोर्सेस ऑलरेडी रीच हो गया, ये बताना चाहता हूँ। ये सारी पार्टीज गवर्नमेंट्स मिलके काम करना है, इसलिए सभी मिलके काम। इसमें एक मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आदेश पर अभी लास्ट वीक ही नेशनल लैंडस्लाइड फोरकास्टिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का गठन किया गया, ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट पर। ये भी काम आगे चलकर और पूरे भारत सरकार की ओर से पूरे देश में।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। बैठिए। प्लीज कैन यू टेक योर सीट? I tell you, all of us are doing great disservice. This is not the way to score a point. Please.
Sir, honorable members have raised their concern, and leader of the house has already made the position clear. Government will definitely, if the chair directs and if the house agrees, will try to come back with the details of the incident.
Can you take your seat, or you want me to that you should be out of the house? Why are you rising every time? No, please. If you are ready, you may leave. What is this?
Sir, so any natural calamity is a serious concern for everyone. And as the Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned, I just want to make a small clarification, because two of the honorable members have said that central government has not released fund. Chidambaram ji is here, he was the Home Minister. I handled this ministry for 5 years. Funds are always placed in advance in the beginning of the year with the state government, which is the resources pulled together by the state government and central government under SDRF. So,
please,
what is this?
Mr. John Brittas, if you rise any further,
he doesn't know the system.
Then I will have to make observations not palatable.
So
don't do it.
This is not the time to play politics. This is a serious matter.
Okay.
So, sir,
please, 1 second. 1 second. I am absolutely pained. John Brittas, it is such a solemn occasion. Why? Again you are interrupting. Why? Don't allow the minister to say something. Listen to him. Then you'll have to hear me also. What I will be saying, please, bear with us. Understand, digest, and then proceed. Honorable Minister.
So, sir, already the Minister of State, the Minister of Minority Affairs, Joseph Kurian, has been sent early morning. George Kurian has been sent by the Prime Minister. He is a minister in the union government and he comes from Kerala. So he has already been sent to Kerala early morning. On top of that, the NDRF, the SDRF, the Disaster Response Force, the Central Armed Police Forces, the Indian military forces, they are already been activated and already on the job, working on the ground, and they are already there, and to connect with them, Indian Air Force has been activated. And for that matter, sir, I would like to inform the Honorable House that Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned it. Now the issue is about immediate relief and rescue. Sir, in any disaster, the first step is relief and rescue. Then comes the recovery and reconstruction and rehabilitation. So we have to go by step. Right now is the time for rescue and relief. This is the most immediate requirement in any kind of any natural calamities, wherever it occurs. So, sir, my only request is to echo with the sentiments raised by all the members and the Honorable Leader of the House, that government is doing everything, whatever is to be done with the coordination with the state government, but I will ask the Home Ministry to come out with a detailed report if the House wants as soon as possible.
And ask her to take her seat. Your member, ask her. No, honorable members, only for benefit of everyone and myself also. There is a Disaster Management Act 2005. That act has a very strong mechanism, right from district disaster management, state disaster.
உள்ளூர் செய்திகள் முதல் உலக செய்திகள் வரை உங்களை சுற்றி நடக்கும் எல்லா செய்திகளையும் நொடிக்கு நொடி அறிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனலை ஃபாலோ செய்யுங்கள். QR கோடை ஸ்கேன் செய்து சன் நியூஸோடு இணைந்திருங்கள்.